Good day, everybody. This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you another new designs of crinoline. You need your crinoline. This is crinoline. You need your rose that you are going to design it. You need your needle and thread. You need your gum or E8000, your scissors, your comb, and your tape rule. You take your needle and thread. This is my crinoline. I've cut it into pieces. I mentioned 9. The length is 9. While the normal bread is normal crinoline bread size. What we do after cutting it, you fold it in a triangular shape. Then you fold it again into another triangular shape. You can see it. Then where the two mouths join together, you put your needle and thread. Take another one, do it the same way, fold it into triangular shape, then you get. Now that you have joined everything together, you can do it one after the other, then join it, or you can pull the thread at once and join everything together at once. Now you draw. Use it to form a round circle. We're giving you shape like leaf. You can see it. You can see it. I've joined everything together. It will form a leaf like this. You can make 2 of it. Today I make 2. I make 2 of it. So this, then I will join it together. You can see what it formed. Form like a leaf. Then take your, this is my E8000. Then I'm going to put my rose. You can use your gum, and you can use your wax candle to do it. You can see it. Is how to make leaf style with your crinoline. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.